So you have this purple bag that I mailed you, and I'm going to show you what to do with it. So it has a fall blend that I love. It includes the oils of orange as well as ginger. We have a lot of cinnamon in it actually, a little bit of clove, and last but not least we have some nutmeg. And I blended them all into like a little diffuser balm that I made for myself and just had to share because it is that good. So I put 5 drops of oil inside each Mylar bag. So hold your bag upright and kind of like push the oils down before you cut it open, and then you're going to cut it straight across the opposite end of where you've been holding it. So hopefully the oils are kind of dripping down here. And then you're going to get some water and fill it up. So let me kind of open this up. So you're gonna get your water, and you're gonna put it inside your Mylar bag. It has this beautiful fall aroma in it, and it smells even better whenever you diffuse it. So you're gonna go over to your diffuser, and you're gonna pour this into your diffuser, and then fill the rest up with water. If you think you need to get more out of your Mylar bag, you can definitely do that again. Either way, that's plenty for a full diffuser. So I would definitely add the water up to like the red little line that you have. And then you're ready to smell a heavenly fall blend. So I hope that you enjoy. It's my favorite. Another thing that you can do, instead of putting it in your diffuser, which is great in my opinion, but this other idea is you can actually put it in your thieves cleaner to add like a seasonal cleaner blend. But you want to make sure you use glass because it does have orange in it, which is a citrus oil that eats away at plastic. So you don't want to put that in a plastic bottle. But I have it in here as well, and so when I'm cleaning, I'm like, it's just so good. I have never really gotten into fall blends before. This is my first like season to like really dive into it, and I'm totally regretting not doing this 4 years ago. So I hope that you enjoy it and fall in love with it. And these are the oils that you'll need to recreate it. And I definitely recommend just throwing them all into like an empty bottle to make it faster and more economical, because you're just using a little bit every time versus like 3 drops of orange.